Welcome to today's quick guide on updating your pronouns on Pinterest. It's all about making sure your profile reflects who you are, and Pinterest has made it super easy to do. So, let's dive right into the updated steps for 2024. First things first, open up your Pinterest app on your phone. Once you're in, look for the saved icon at the bottom of your screen. Tap on it. This will take you straight to your profile. Now that you're on your profile, you'll want to tap on your profile icon. This should either be a picture of you or a default image if you haven't uploaded one yet. Tapping here will take you directly to your Pinterest profile. Next, look for the Edit Profile option. It's usually near the top of the screen. Give that a tap. This is where you can tweak all sorts of things about your public persona on Pinterest, including your pronouns. Once you're in the Edit Profile section, you'll see a list of options. Find and click on Pronouns. This will open up a menu where you can select your preferred pronouns. Pinterest offers a variety of options, from the traditional he, him, or she, her, to more inclusive options like they, them, xxm, and zizir. Select the one that feels right for you. After you've chosen your pronoun or pronouns, look for the Done button, usually in the top right corner of the screen. Tap it to save your selection. But we're not quite finished yet. You'll be brought back to the Edit Profile screen. To finalize the changes, you need to tap Done again. This ensures that all the edits you've made, including your pronoun selection, are saved to your public profile. And that's it. You've successfully updated your pronouns on Pinterest. Now, when people view your profile, they'll see your preferred pronouns, helping to create a more inclusive and respectful environment. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference in how people perceive and interact with you online. Pinterest offering this feature reflects a growing awareness and acceptance of gender diversity among its users, especially within Gen Z. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.